Hey there everyone, my name is Brendan and welcome back to another cryptocurrency tutorial. And in today's walkthrough, we're going to be learning how to send money from our Coinbase account to our Coinbase wallet. Now, contrary to popular belief here, there is a difference between your self-custodial Coinbase wallet and your Coinbase exchange account. So I want to clarify the differences in this video, but also show you how to get money off of your Coinbase exchange account into that private Coinbase wallet account. So the first step here should go without saying, but you need both a Coinbase wallet and a Coinbase exchange account. If you don't have both of those, it's perfectly fine. Pause the video here, go make sure that you have both of those created and in order, and then you can resume the video with step one, which is logging into your Coinbase account first and making sure that you go over to this transfer button in the top right. Now, it doesn't matter where you start, which one of these tabs you're on or any of that. What you need to find is this top right-hand corner where it says search for an asset, trade, or transfer. So we're going to click on transfer. Then we're going to click send crypto because again, we want to get it off of our Coinbase account into our Coinbase wallet account. And then we can select the crypto that we want to transfer. In this case, let's just go ahead and use Bitcoin. So I'm going to say send $100 worth of Bitcoin. And then it's going to ask, well, where do you want to send this to? And this is where we need to go ahead and log in and pull up our Coinbase wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm already logged in. I'm signed in, and then I'm going to go over to receive because again, we're sending away from Coinbase on the exchange and receiving it in this Coinbase wallet. Well, it's going to say, well, what would you like to receive? Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, etc. And again, we are doing Bitcoin here. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. It's going to say copied to clipboard, which is perfect. Then I can go back to my Coinbase exchange. I'm going to go to favorites. I'm going to go to favorites. View more, add contact, and I'm going to say that this is my Coinbase burner wallet. That's what I'm going to name it. And then right below here is where I'm going to be pasting the actual address itself that we just copied. I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to go find this. So I'm going to see Coinbase burner wallet. I'm going to click on it once, click on it again. And now the final step here is just really the preview where it says, hey, just to confirm, you are sending $100 worth of BTC to this wallet. We're going to click preview send. It's going to give us all the final information. We're going to double check this, make sure everything looks good, make sure that we agree with the network fee, the send time, the address, all of it. And then if we agree with all this, then we can go ahead and click send now. Now, after we do this, it's going to send it right over to our not our Trust wallet, to our Coinbase wallet right here. And we will see it pop up. Again, it said it could take up to 30 minutes. So if you don't see it instantly and you're like, oh my goodness, I have zeros on my exchange and my wallet. Did it get lost? Did I mess up? Again, it said that it should take around 30 minutes. So give it a little bit of time and it should pop up if you double checked and did everything correctly. Now, after you do it, your money will populate in here and you're going to be able to do a bunch of things with this. And again, it's just going to be an alternative way to kind of store your cryptocurrency. And the cool thing with the Coinbase wallet is that there's actually ways for the Coinbase wallet to interact with the Coinbase exchange as well. So that's all that there's going to be for this tutorial, everyone. For all of you people that are out there and looking into new wallets and, maybe you wanted to get started with the Coinbase wallet, this is going to be the first step in that process. And I hope that this tutorial helped you out. Now, if it did, consider sticking around, maybe hitting that like and subscribe button because we make tutorials just like this one every single week, multiple times a week. So if you like this one, the odds are you're going to like a lot of our other tutorials as well. So once again, thank you all for watching and we will see you in the next video.